If you've never planted tomato seeds before or just want a refresher, this video is for you. I'm going to take you through what type of tomato seeds I'm planting, why I'm planting them now, and then give a full demonstration on how to plant the seeds. So let's get started. The type of tomato that I'm planting is a Scotia tomato. It's a determinate tomato that grows 3 to 4 feet in height, and it produces a tomato that looks like this. Normally in my region, I wouldn't suggest starting the seeds until April, but I have a greenhouse with a heater, so I'm taking advantage of that. The first thing you do when you're planting the seeds is you have to fill the container with potting mix. I've already gone ahead and done that to save some time. The next thing you do is you grab the seeds, so I'm just grabbing them here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a seed towards the middle, but I'm also going to put a second seed in the container as well. And the reason I'm doing that is in case the seed in the middle doesn't germinate, then I have a second seed as a backup. So I'm just going to finish this off. I'm going to add seed here, that's quite a few. Take those out, just add one. Okay, so I have the seeds there. And then the next thing you need to do is actually put the seeds into the potting mix and push them down 1/4 inch. I have this device that I'm going to use, but you can also use a pencil or back of a pen. So I'm just pushing it down 1/4 inch. Like this. Okay, you can see that they've been pushed down, and the last thing I'm going to do is just fill out the top so the holes are covered. And finally, I'm going to add some water. I like to use a spray bottle because it doesn't overwater. I don't want to overwater this, but I need to make sure that there's lots of moisture in the container. So I'm just spraying it so you can see the water glistening on top. Okay, so I've finished planting the seeds, and these will go under some lights, and the lights will only be about a couple inches above here to ensure that the germination works properly.